I was at home. I was at my apartment complex. I heard a bunch of the wind moving through the trees kind of behind my apartment. I was watching the hill that was behind there. It's a probably 30 or 40 foot hill that was just beginning to slide from all the saturation. A lot of people have moved out of my building. I'm one of the few that remain. It's a lot of us healthcare workers that work here, either at Mission or in the area, and we're staying to support our communities, do what we can. We're trying to find as many resources as possible for this community and ensuring that we can keep them safe and battle through this really tough time. It was a full action, full ready to go, boots on the ground mission to support our community. And when I walked in, I immediately went up to my desk, started working on checking isolation, going around checking, ensuring how we're washing hands without having water in the hospital. Fortunately, we're back up. A number of our towers are getting that nice, precious water that we're needing. But going around and ensuring, how can I help? Going, checking in with my teams. What can I do for you? What can I clean? Those sorts of things. And checking and make sure people are safe. In my role as an infection preventionist, it is paramount for me to not only ensure that our patients and staff are safe, but in the outlying community as well. And knowing what has happened with recent storms or previous storms, such as like Hurricane Katrina, there are responses that need to happen in order to make sure our citizens stay safe. And ensuring we have the proper water, the proper sanitation, the proper hand washing techniques, all of those things are really important for me, and that's one of the things I wanted to make sure was happening, and that so we could keep everyone safe. We're going through a lot right now. This community is certainly affected by this storm, and we are doing everything in our ability to try and assist and be there for this community. We are working with water, we're working with power, we're trying to establish lines for people to get groceries and gas. The HCA response to this storm has been phenomenal. I'm looking around, looking at the amount of resources that have flooded into this area, and I'm so appreciative of everything that has come in. We are checking all of the different boxes in order to make sure our staff is safe. We've created gas lines up at the mental health facility. We have markets open for chainsaws, all kinds of things that honestly I'm so appreciative of HCA for bringing in.